We're on another small walk today. We are at Ely Lodge in our town of County Fermanagh and Enniskillen.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't
long
like the way.
socks
Had to fight and misbehave
to avoid
find a
ticks.
way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinion.
It is so cool here. Again, lovely big tall trees. Listen to the birds. Listen to Mason munch on his protein bar. One thing I will say about this area though, as much as I love it, I did get a bit put off running here just because I came here running one morning in particular, and I was actually running along this path, and it's a way up the path that I was coming around a bend to go down round the back, but someone had their dog off a lead, and it was a pretty big dog. It was a German Shepherd. Now, I'm not one to be like, oh, that's a German Shepherd, it's dangerous, or that's a Rottweiler, it's dangerous, or whatever. A dog's a dog, and it'll behave how its owner rears it, just like a child, I suppose. But anyway, it's a big dog. I was on my own, there was no one else around, and it came running at me. So I freaked out, and I kept running a wee bit, then I gradually slowed down, and I was like, you know what? It's not stopping. Is it just curious? Is it going to bounce around me and be playful? Or is it like protecting its owner and going to attack? So I turned. I could see that she was calling it back and trying to get it back. It wasn't really listening. So that was another red flag for me. I was like, get out of there. So I turned and I ran back down this way, got into my car, and I was fine. So I'll never know if that dog was going to attack or just be playful, but I wasn't going to take that chance. But the reason why I told that story about the dog is to kind of tell people, please put your dogs on leads as much as you might know your dog or trust your dog. Your dog could take a notion of like protecting you and just attack, so don't take the risk.
Up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself.
What? Yeah. What did you just say?
It's only your big forehead.
I do not have a big forehead. What a monkey. But what were you saying? You think that you're
Taller than you.
almost. He's not too far off it. Like 5 foot nothing.
I'm probably taller than Amy.
Yeah, well, Amy's small like me. Pocket rockets. What happened here?
Flip that off the leg.
Oh my god. We've decided to run because there's clags sticking to our legs. Fuck me, it's so warm. We don't want to wear trousers on these walks, but every time we go on them it's either ticks or clags. But we'll run because they keep following us and sticking to our legs. We're being attacked. There's clags after us. Help!
Run for your life! What's the point? What's the point?
The Blair Witch Project, trying to get away from these.
Daddy! Oh God, he's right behind!
This man is chasing me again!
I just want to let everybody know that finds us. We were eaten alive by Clegs. Oh God.
Come on, Harper, you can do it.
Keep going. You can. Keep going, Mason. Literally doomed on this walk from the minute get-go anyway. Shouldn't have bothered our bums coming this far. Fucking Clegs. We made it out alive. Oh, there's a big dragonfly going across the road. Oh, see it, guys. Oh my God, I really want to get it.
Thanks for watching. It's the end of the video. So after our walk at Ely Lodge, we decided to come to the Mound Doe for a quick walk around. We were going to get some ice cream in the wee shop that's here, but we decided not to. We decided to go somewhere for food because we're both really hungry. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are enjoying my channel and you enjoy watching my other videos and you want to see more, then subscribe and leave me a wee comment if you wish. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. We're going somewhere really special tomorrow, so I will video that and take you along with us. So stay tuned for that one and see you in the next one.